Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. Now, first thing first, remember these rules. We are going to follow these two rules of trading. The first rule of trading says know your trend. The second rule of trading says trade with the trend. So before we go ahead to take a trade on GBP USD, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our GBP USD, we are in a ranging market. You can clearly see it right here that GBP USD is literally ranging. So at first, market rallied up to tap this resistance, right? Eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level. Market eventually rejected from the support level and it rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Market eventually got to the resistance, rejected from it and dropped to tap our support level, right? Market eventually got to the support level, rejected from the support level and it rallied up to tap the resistance, right? Market eventually got to the resistance, broke above it a bit. Now it's rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our supports. Markets eventually rallied on to come to tap our resistance, right? So in the long run, this is for swing traders. In the long run, GBP USD is going to drop to it is able to hit our support level. So if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position for a couple of days, maybe between 6 to 9 days. So between a week, right? Between a week or 2 weeks max, we should see GBP USD trading on our support level. So we should be expecting GBP USD to drop to tap our support level. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in the sell, you can look into going for the sell. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So guys, let's take a look at this right here. Market has now given us a multiple rejection, which is now dropping, right? So now if you take a look at this moment, right, market is now rallying up, right? So if market rallies up to tap this resistance, right, we should expect market to actually drop again. So this is to tell you that a sell is what we should be expecting anytime soon. GBP USD should be giving us a sell. If there will be any changes to this prediction I just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. If you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.